Hey guys, it's Billy. Welcome back to my channel. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing something I've been wanting to do. I feel like it's been my entire life. I am trying Wendy's eating shows, world famous, and I mean world famous, spicy, flaming hot Cheetos noodles. So like this video has like she has like a bunch of videos, but this one in particular has like 7.7 million views. Like she posted it years ago. If you don't know who Wendy from Wendy's Eating Show is, you are missing out. She is so amazing. She's one of the original mukbangers. She's actually the first mukbanger I used to watch, and I still watch her to this day. And I've always wanted to try the Cheetos noodles. I don't know how she made it, so I made my own recipe, and I think it came out pretty good. I think it looks great. I have my whole bag of Cheetos here, just like her. I didn't even dare try to build an amazing drink like her because I can never compare. So I just have a Fiji water here. But these smell amazing. So these are noodles, spaghetti noodles that I have made entirely of hot Cheetos. And then I have some ground up hot Cheetos here that I'm going to sprinkle all over the top. This is like my, okay. I don't know, I'm making a huge mess. I don't know if she uses this much, so I don't know, that's good. Some of it like clumped together. That's okay. This looks great, you guys. And then, of course, in Wendy fashion, I'm going to open up a fresh bag of hot Cheetos because Wendy loves hot Cheetos so much. And she's such an icon that she like scatters them around for like to eat too. She like pours the whole bag out, I think, but I'm not going to be doing that today because I don't want to make a huge mess for myself. But I am going to be like putting them all, they're falling right here, and I'm putting them all right here. Yes, a huge mess. All right, that's good. These are so great. All right. Who doesn't love hot Cheetos? Flaming hot is like a new flavor though that's like all over. Not new, but lately, instead of just flaming hot Cheetos, flaming hot has been like all types of flaming hot type stuff. Recently I had the flaming hot popcorn. TheBomb.com. All right, let's try this. I have not tried it. Whoa. I think Wendy just like goes in. I don't think she's ever posted her recipe. I would love to have like these noodles made by her. Wow, these are great. I can't believe I'm eating this right now. Like, this is like a dream of mine. This is insane. So good when you get some like actual hot Cheeto in there. They're not as spicy as I thought they were going to be. If you guys like hot chips, flaming hot is obviously the way to go because it's kind of like spicy, but it's like too spicy. It has a burn. But if you like spice on top of spice, then you definitely need to try the Utz Red Hot. I think it's Red Hot potato chips. If you've never had those, I don't know if they have them around the world or if they're only in a certain area of the United States. I'm not sure. Look them up online. I'm sure you can buy them on like Amazon or somewhere online. Some vendor. Try those. Those make my eyes water. They're so hot. They make my nose run. But these aren't hot at all. I think it's because it's like flaming hot isn't like that hot to me. I don't know. It's so much better with when you have like a whole Cheeto in your mouth with the noodles. It's kind of spicy now. I'm so excited with this. I forgot to ask you guys how you're doing. I hope you're well. Valentine's weekend just passed. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend with your friends or your loved ones or your significant others or yourself, because it's okay. It's been Valentine's Day. Alone. We all do it. Ooh. Hey guys, sorry about that. I had a phone call I had to make. Oh my god. Work has been so stressful for me lately, but I don't like to complain, so just me and my noodles. I recently went to see Birds of Prey this weekend. Have any of you guys saw that? It was such a colorful like movie. The cinematography in it was like insane to me. I loved it. Such a good movie. Cheetos, the jalapeno ones, the flaming hot jalapeno are so good too. This is why I do mukbangs. It's right here. Incredible. So once you open a restaurant, I only serve like weird things that are good at restaurants. At a restaurant. And that's such a good idea, you guys. If anyone wants to invest in that in New York, or anywhere really, I'll run the operations. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think I'd be able to run a restaurant. I worked in a restaurant for like 2 months and it was the worst experience of my life. Well, one of them. It's tough. I have much respect for servers. I'm one of those people that like I always tip. I'm always super nice, you know. Cause man, that sucks. Running around, working with like mean people. Like if you eat like crap, then the customers treat you like crap, and then you go home and feel like crap. Huh, rough. It's a hustle. Not all places are like that, but the one I worked at was very toxic. Everyone was mean. The people I worked with that were mean, like, they weren't friendly. Like, no one worked as a team. It was all everyone for themselves type mentality, which I guess is how it is in the service industry, maybe. Not all places, I feel like, but the one I worked at did. Unfortunately. It's only why I only worked there for 2 months. All right, guys, I'm all wrapped up here. I hope you like hanging out. I hope you like. I hope you guys liked hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe down below. I'm an eating show. I post every couple times a week. We keep it chill. We keep it cool here. You know, I love trying new things, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know what you want me to try or what your favorite Wendy video is. I'm very curious about that. I loved these. I'm so happy I tried them. They have like a strong place in my heart because Wendy's so awesome. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys. See ya.